guys! Kakauwi lang namin galing sa Careline Drip event. They gave us a lot of gifts. So this is the full set. This is the other gift for my partner. And sa loob ng event, I got several things like this tote bag. Ayan, dalawa tong tote bag na to. Of course, we have some photo. Look.
Ang pangit ko.
Tapos, merong tote bag. Yan, na naka-engrave. Yung isa pataas yung kay Bobby na engrave. And yung akin is... And of course, dito yung sa trial na mamimili ka ng shade. And then, pag nakapili ka na, you will proceed with the keychain. So, yung kinuha ko na shade is basically the glaze and the oat. Yan. So, this is the box. Okay. So, first, we will unbox this maliit. The Careline Better Than Basic. Yan. Oh my God! Look at guys! It's a 4 shade. Itong lip drip, they have 18 shades in total. So we have here Blazing, Dewdrop, Slick, at saka Laven. Ayan guys, look at that. Now, let's proceed to the bigger size. By the way, thank you so much, Careline, for always inviting me. Ever Belena, Hello, Glow Black Water, and so on, for always inviting me on your event. And I will always be pleased to join. Kahit malayo pa kami kasi from Mamburao to here, so it's like how many hours? And it's so magastos, but yeah, we have to attend. Sa natin. I'm so excited with the full set because first time in my life na meron talaga akong na-receive na full set gift. Kasi mostly, may gift siya pero hindi siya buong shades, ganon. So, oh my God, it's so big. Parang siyang lalagyan ng shoes. And, oh my God. Andito yung model, photo ng model nila. Sana ako din. Sana. Char. Break Currents in Moisture Locking Lip Drip. So, they have another voucher shade palette. Makikita mo lahat ng shades kung pure warm, light tone, cool, deep tone. So, yan. Meron kang references or guide. And also, they have the stickers. So, basically, meron silang ganito, which is awesome. All 18 shades is here. And oh my God! I actually have a full swatch test doon sa event. But yeah, this is my favorite. This is the one I've been using for the whole time. I am so happy that I have all the shades. I can either sell this or give it to my families or friends and so on. And look, I can try this on in a makeup set. Pwede na ako maging makeup artist. So, they have 18 shades as you can see. So, they have Emblaze, High Key, Slick, Luminescence, Blazing, Poppin', Alt, Halo, Laven, Lustrous, Sunbeam, Flicker, Dewdrop, Glaze, Sunkissed, Petal Bliss, Flashy, Ignite. And that's so cool kasi beside on that, meron tayong apat and of course, meron tayong dalawa. Nandiyan yung isa. So, a total of 24 lip drip ang meron ako. And, you know, I love you so much, Careline. And, yeah, thank you so much for making us beautiful.